Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on Gmail. So let's start. First, open the Gmail app. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to manage your Google account. Now go to security. Scroll down. And here you will see that two-step verification is turned on. Tap on that. Now you have to enter your password for verification. Then tap next. Now tap on turn off and turn off again. And now if you scroll down, you'll see that your two-step verification is now turned off. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.